100 years ago, a revolutionary school was established. This school's groundbreaking ideas became the world's most influential force in the field of architecture, art, and craft. To celebrate 100 years of Bauhaus, a 3D printed tiny Bauhaus is developed using only sustainable materials. The tiny house movement has strong similarities with the Bauhaus vision on new forms of living in cities and using innovative techniques, both beautiful and functional. In this tiny Bauhaus, you get an interactive glimpse of the Bauhaus legacy. Learn more about the Bauhaus locations all through Germany and visit the original office of the Bauhaus founder, Walter Gropius, by virtual reality. Discover this tiny Bauhaus in a city near you, and visit Germany to experience the revolutionary Bauhaus locations.